This is a Cincinnati Gantry, 5-axis, 3-spindle profiler. I'm checking the X-axis with the dual feedback laser system. I've got 2 computers running. It was over 750 inches, and it's on its way back right now. We read accurately down to 10 billionths of an inch. These are all my equipment cases I have lined up here. A couple extra computers out. I can actually use one, but I'm working on some new software. So I'm checking the X-axis. I have interferometers mounted on the bed, and I have retroreflectors in the outside spindles. The X-axis I'm checking, positioning accuracy is fed by a gear rack and resolvers through a gearbox, and you can hear the air blowing the gear racks clean as it moves, because any little chip in that gear rack, any little piece of metal can cause it to be inaccurate. These are jack tie downs, pusher pullers from the side, a jack and a tie down and an anchor bolt, or a jam nut. A jack, a tie down, and a jam nut. All these are used to level these big machines. There's hundreds of them on here on both sides. They all have to be aligned when this is put in, and occasionally if it gets damaged, I'm involved with people to straighten these ways and these gear rack sections that are in, or replace them when they're in about 3-foot sections here. I've actually even poured the epoxy to mount these ways back in Alabama one time with Mark Moser. We had to become machine builders because we knew more than the people that had the machine. Here's the controller. I have to write a program to get it to move where I need it to move. You can see it's on the X-axis at 456 inches. I have the Y-axis centered. It's moving every 6 inches. This is the Achromatic 950 controller. It was top of the line of its time back in the late 80s, early 90s. It's now way outdated.